Do you think the increasing inventory will ever end? Welcome back to my Austin, Texas real estate market update. My name is Ryan Gomillion and I'm your go-to real estate agent here in Austin. I study the market each and every day, doing the research and staying on top of the trends just for you. In this video, we'll pick apart the market stats for June 2024 and talk about what they mean for you and your real estate plans. Let's start with comparing the data to this time last year and to last month. As of June 1st, the median sales price in the Austin metro area was $459,450. This is down less than 1% from June 1st of 2023 and is down $10,548 compared to May 1st of 2024. The average days on market is at 57, which is down 8 days from June 1st of 2023 and is down 11 days compared to May 1st of 2024. Closed sales are at 2,968, which is down 12.8% from what we saw on June 1st of 2023. Closed sales are up by 260 sales compared to May 1st of 2024. New listings are at 5,243, which is up 16.3% from June 1st of 2023. New listings are up by 112 compared to May 1st of 2024. Active listings are at 12,211, which is a 37.7% increase from June 1st of 2023. This is 1,403 more listings compared to May 1st of 2024. Nearly every month of the year so far has seen housing inventory increase, putting us at near record levels for this time of the year. Only 25% of the currently listed homes are selling each month, keeping home prices relatively stable. People reach out to me about moving to Austin all the time, and I love it. Whether you're looking to move or sell your home in the next 9 days or 90 days, then call, text, or email me, and I'll be happy to help. June has seen relatively lower mortgage rates compared to May, with national rate averages entering into the sixes in the second half of the month. May was spent rubber banding down and then up after April's higher mortgage rate environment, and June echoed that same behavior, but on a less volatile scale. June started on a downward trend and fluctuated by 1 to 0.2% throughout the month. June's big mortgage rate related news was the combination of the Fed announcement and May's inflation data that both came out at the same time in the middle of the month. Inflation finally showed some signs of cooling, and this immediately caused the bond market to react and thus mortgage rates to drop. The Fed compounded on this by saying they weren't changing interest rates now, but if inflation continued to soften, then they could be dropping rates sooner than expected. The Fed has been erring on the very cautious side when it comes to dropping rates, so it will take a bit more data before they do. But all of this news at one time helped drop national rate averages into the sixes again. Rates are still on the higher side, but not quite as volatile as we've seen them this year. As long as the economic data shows some consistency moving forward, we should see rates decline. Housing inventory is at record levels. New listings are still heavily outpacing closed sales, and now with the number of active listings over 12,000, we have 4.9 months of inventory currently on the market in the Austin metro area. That means if 0 new homes were listed, we have enough homes on the market to last almost 5 months if the current closed sales trends continued. While this is staggering, homes are still selling and selling quicker on average than we have seen them in the past few months. The median sales price also hasn't changed much from last year. As I remind you every month, this data is for the entire Austin metro area, so take it with a grain of salt since each neighborhood behaves differently. With how high the supply is compared to the demand, we are thoroughly in a buyer's market, and that should be taken into account when listing your home. Buyers have the liberty to be picky on price, condition, and location, and you should expect that if selling is in your plans this year. The average close to list price is 95.5%, meaning that on average, homes are selling for 4.5% below their list price. It's important to have a clear game plan when listing your home and committing to having a flexible and open mind. That said, it is the busiest time for real estate in Austin right now, and the well-priced homes are selling quickly. Make sure to do the research prior to listing to make sure your initial price is compelling, and if you aren't seeing a good number of showings on your home, it's important to make effective price reductions to stay competitive and attract qualified buyers. June and July are very busy times in Austin as those moving between school years make their moves. And if you're thinking about selling and would like an expert opinion, then call, text, or email me and we can chat further. It is one of my favorite times ever for home buyers in Austin. With how large the gap is between active listings and closed sales, the Austin market is swinging more into a buyer's market each week. On average, homes are selling for 5% less than their list price, and some even less than that, especially if you find yourself working with a motivated seller. There are many great deals on the market and creative ways to negotiate in your favor, including credits towards closing costs or helping buy down your mortgage rate. Mortgage rates do look promising coming into this next month, lining up with the increased housing inventory. Each home and each neighborhood can vary, and well-priced homes are even receiving multiple offers. A market like this makes it extra important to have a knowledgeable lender and a knowledgeable agent on your side. You want someone who can paint a clear picture on what your home purchase capabilities look like, and someone who can explain market conditions and expertly guide you to the homes that best fit your needs. And while new construction homes typically are a little more expensive than resale homes, they have some of the best deals right now that you'll see all year. These range from mortgage rate buydowns, upgrade allowances, or even thousands of dollars of flex cash that you can use towards what best works for you. Make sure you have a clear understanding of all of your options before starting your search. If buying a home is part of your plans this year, now is a wonderful time to enter the market, especially if you're moving before schools are back in session. And a knowledgeable real estate expert like me on your side can help guide you through the home buying process. In June 2024, the Austin real estate market witnessed a median sales price of $459,450, which is just barely lower than this time last year, and an average days on market of 57 days. Mortgage rates are hanging around the high 6s and low 7s right now, and housing inventory is at record levels. Sellers have more competition, and buyers have more power in negotiations. Thanks for joining me on this detailed look at the June 2024 Austin real estate market. For more valuable insights and real estate related content, like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you'd like to have a personal conversation about your real estate plans, then reach out to me with the information in the pinned comment below. I'll see you on the next video.